Well, first of all, welcome. You've been co-CEO for a few weeks now. What was the impetus behind Mark Benioff and this company naming you co-CEO now, and that person being you?
Well, look, we're certainly in a situation where Mark and I have been working together very, very closely. We've been together for over 5 years. We've known each other a long time. And this is just a natural extension of the operating model that we've been working together. So when you think about our company, we're a large global enterprise. We're growing quickly. And this is an opportunity for us to put together a decision-making process that enables us to make decisions very quickly for our customers. And again, it's just a natural extension of what we've been doing.
So he's a co-founder of the company. He's a big personality. How do you divide responsibilities?
Well, again, we've been operating under these principles for the last 5 years. It's a very trust-based relationship. It gives us an opportunity to focus on our strengths. Mark, when you think about Mark as you described him, he's a visionary. He has great ideas around the product strategy. He's an outstanding CEO. He's passionate about the culture. My focus is on growth and execution and customer success and operational excellence, and it really allows us to focus on our strengths and areas of expertise.
So look, co-CEO structures haven't necessarily worked out so well. In other cases, in fact, some would say it's prevented the ability to be decisive. How do you overcome those historical precedents? Like, what are the plans to troubleshoot if necessary?
Well, again, I think it starts with trust. And we have a very, very trust-based relationship. We're both trusted advisors to each other. We collaborate all the time. We make decisions together. We see this as a way to execute at speed, at scale, because we're growing at scale. Look at our results in Q2. You've seen our results in Q2. We're wildly excited about what we've done in Q2. And this is just a great operating model for us.
So you've boosted your forecast for the year. The stock is down slightly after hours. What should investors be looking at in this quarter?
Well, I think the investors should be thrilled because we are thrilled with these results. Again, we're the #1 leader in the #1 category of enterprise software, the fastest growing category of enterprise software. We're #1 in sales and marketing and service and platform. And we're growing at a rate that is twice the rate of the market. So we're taking share, we're driving success with our customers, and we're very, very pleased. We're operating at scale, we're growing at scale, and everything is going well with the company. We're very pleased with the performance.
You said you're well on your way to that $23 billion in 2022. What do you need to do to get there? What will you do to get there?
Well, I think that growth strategy is in place. When we think about our growth levers, we think about our international expansion. Our fastest growing region was in EMEA this year at 32% growth, so we're super excited about that. APAC was at 28% growth. We think about our focus on industries and speaking the language of our customers, so we're doing some incredible things in financial services and manufacturing and public sector. And then, of course, we have the world's largest ecosystem in the cloud. We have great business with our systems integrators and our ISVs. So we're very, very thrilled with that growth strategy. And again, we're operating at scale, we're executing at scale, and we're on our path to the $23 billion goal, which makes us the fastest growing top 5 enterprise software company in the world.
Salesforce has redefined customer relationship management. What are the white spaces you see out there that still exist for you?
Well, there's plenty of opportunity just in the space that we play, but as you know, we're considered to be one of the most innovative companies in the world. So again, having the market share leader in sales and service and marketing and platform, there's a lot of room to run. Focus on our industry specialization and our industry strategy and our industry solutions, focus on our international expansion. All of that just realizes great customer success and great growth, like our success in the quarter.
Salesforce has been known for making big deals. We've seen you make some fairly big acquisitions of late. How much will M&A be part of your strategy, and where?
Well, you know, it's very interesting. When we think about our growth strategy, we think about both organic and inorganic, and our ideas always come from our customers. We listen to our customers. They give us our great ideas. When we acquired MuleSoft, our most recent acquisition, just in Q2, as you know, we've seen great success with this already, but we got that idea from our customers. When we bought Demandware, we got that idea from our customers. So we listen to our customers to drive our innovation strategy and our growth strategy.
I've traced plenty of Salesforce acquisition rumors. Often we hear Twitter come up that Salesforce is interested in buying a company as big as Twitter. Is that something that has ever been of interest?
Well, again, we listen to our customers, and that's really a guiding light. They are an inspiration for us, and that's how we decide how we innovate, whether it's organically or inorganically.
So let me put it this way. Would you do a deal that big? Are you open to big, potentially transformative, but also risky deals?
Well, again, MuleSoft was the largest acquisition that we've done in the history of the company, and it's just been, barely 90 days, and we're super excited about what we're seeing.
So let's talk a little bit about international expansion. You said we should look for growth there. What is the actual status? Because that's where Salesforce has a lot of untapped opportunity.
Well, we've made a lot of investment over the last 5 years to drive growth in the international space. Again, EMEA was 32% growth in the quarter. APAC was 28% growth in the quarter. And really, this is a strategy born out of driving success for our customers globally. We want to be able to service our customers globally. So there's a lot of room to run. And we're very, very excited about those results. You can see it in our Q2.
You worked at Oracle for 26 years. We've heard Mark Benioff and Larry Ellison trade barbs many, many times. Is Oracle in as dire straits as Benioff seems to think it is?
Well, look, we're in a wonderful place. You know, that was a planet a long, long time ago, long, far away ago. I've been with Salesforce 5 years. I just celebrated my 5th year anniversary in June. And I couldn't be more thrilled to be here, working with Mark, leading the company into the future together with Mark, and excited for the future for Salesforce.
So who is the competition then?
Well, there's competition in every element. And you know, in any given time, there's a different type of innovation that could enter our space. Our category of CRM continues to broaden. So we see competition, but the fact of the matter is that look at our results. We're the category leader in CRM, the fastest growing segment of enterprise software. We're growing at twice the rate of the market. We're taking share. We're operating at scale. We're growing at scale. We're executing at scale. And at the end of the day, our job is to focus on our customers. We have over 30,000 employees. They wake up every single day, and their focus is on driving customer success. And if we take care of that, everything else will take care of itself.
So as the company continues to sort of verticalize its sales strategy, what are the industry sectors that we will see you target?
Well, certainly financial services has been a hotbed for us. Healthcare is also a hotbed for us. Public sector, manufacturing, telecommunications, kind of the classic that you would expect. And we can see just huge opportunity to drive success with our customers there.
Dreamforce coming up?
Very exciting.
What should we be looking forward to?
Well, we know that you're going to be speaking, so we're looking forward to that. Look, Dreamforce is our big event of the year. We have over 175,000 people who will be attending, millions of viewers online. It is a celebration of innovation. It's a celebration of success for our customers. It's going to be at the end of September, and it's always a great event.
So, you know, obviously the cloud is growing, but yet it's a war. It's a war between Amazon and Microsoft and Google and potentially Salesforce, depending on how you look at it. Do you have any concern that those big companies will make it impossible for a company like you to ever get there?
Well, we like to think of ourselves as a big company. Again, we're the #1 category leader. We'll be $23 billion at the end of FY22. But, you know, these are our partners. We have partnerships with Amazon. We have partnerships with Google. We have partnerships with IBM and Dell. And we have partnerships with Microsoft. So
it's always difficult, though, with Salesforce and some of these other companies like Dell to draw that line between frenemy or enemy.
Well, it's really cooperation. But this is not unique to the cloud. This has been around forever. And, you know, as long as you have a transparent relationship and you work collaboratively with these partners, it all works out for the customers.